This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Crosshair graphic and accessible hosting. Make a small PNG at 32x32 or 64x64 with a transparent center so it won't block vision. Once saved, upload it to OneDrive or any host that provides a direct image link. Make sure the link ends in PNG. You'll also need your PC or phone to configure a streaming overlay and the Xbox Cloud session open. These steps get the assets and access ready so the overlay can be applied quickly. Next, you configure the overlay tool to inject the PNG into the cloud gaming stream. Open your chosen overlay app and add the image source. Select the public PNG URL or local file if your streaming device supports it. Then set the source to a transparent window or virtual camera mode so Xbox Cloud Gaming shows it. Use grid snaps or percentage center coordinates to place it precisely. Once centered, lock transform and set opacity to taste so you can see targets without. Finally, attach the overlay to your running cloud gaming session and verify it appears in-game. Choose the overlay virtual camera or capture source in the app feeding the stream, then join a match and fine-tune size and opacity. Save a profile so you don't repeat setup each time. If the crosshair doesn't show, make sure the image link is direct and not blocked by permissions or cores. Confirm the overlay app has screen capture rights, and restart both the app and the cloud session before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.